So today let's start with upper extremity. 1. Introduction. The upper extremity forms the skeleton of the shoulder, arm, forearm, and hand. It helps in movement, grasping, lifting objects, writing, and performing daily activities. Total bones in one upper limb equals 32 bones. They are divided into two main parts. Shoulder pectoral girdle. Free upper limb. 1. Shoulder pectoral girdle. It connects the upper limb to the trunk. With the help of two bones, clavicle collar bone and scapula shoulder blade. Important points. Clavicle is S-shaped long bone. It connects sternum to scapula, acts as a strut keeping arm away from body. This is the most commonly fractured bone. Next one is scapula, flat triangular bone, located on the posterior thoracic wall. I have discussed in my previous video on scapula. It has spine, acromion process, and a coracoid process that combines and forms glenid cavity of scapula that forms shoulder joint with humerus. Upper limb contains 30 bones and divided into arm and forearm. A arm form with 1 long bone that is humerus. Important features. Head right arrow articulates with scapula. Greater and lesser tubercles right arrow muscle. Attachment. Deltoid tuberosity right arrow, deltoid muscle insertion. Distal end forms elbow joint. B forearm form with 2 bones. Radius lateral/thumb side and ulna medial/little finger side. Radius helps in rotation of forearm, pronation, and supination. Head articulates with capitulum of humerus. Ulna forms main elbow joint. Has olecranon process, forms tip of elbow. See hand bones are total 27 bones. 1. Carpal's wrist bones, 8. Arranged in 2 row. Mnemonic to remember. Some lovers try positions that they can't handle. Bones of proximal row. Scaphoid, lunate, triquetrum, pisiform. Bones of distal row. Trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, hamate. Important. Scaphoid is most commonly fractured carpal bone. Total no. Metacarpals are 5. Form palm of hand. Numbered 1, 5 from thumb to little finger. Number of phalanges are 14, and can say. Bones of fingers. There are 3 types of phalanges. Proximal phalanx, middle phalanx, distal phalanx. Important. Thumb has only 2 phalanges. Other fingers have 3 each. Important joints of upper limb. Shoulder joint, very mobile ball and socket joint. Elbow joint, hinge joint. Radioulnar joint rotation. Wrist joint hand movements. Functions of upper extremity. Movement of arm. Holding and grasping objects. Fine motor skills, writing, stitching. Lifting and pushing activities. Especially for students, I have added a few quick exam points. These are total bones in upper limb right arrow 32. Carpals right arrow 8. Metacarpals right arrow 5. Phalanges right arrow 14. Scaphoid is most commonly fractured carpal bone. Clavicle most commonly fractured bone. Ulna forms main elbow joint. Thumb has 2 phalanges. Now finally take home messages. The upper extremity skeleton provides maximum mobility with moderate stability, allowing humans to perform precise and skilled movements.